let's do a quick little 12-minute breakout activity to finish stages 5 through 7. Same activities or same scenario, and just applying the activities to stages 5 through 7. Hopefully some great discussions. We'll come back, do a quick debrief, get the crew back. Robbie, I'm curious, since you joined earlier, like, what any major takeaways that you found with just this final 3 stages in your activities?
I think everybody was very aligned in terms of, collective responsibility, working to a cadence, feedback, and, promoting success. I think that was really the kind of, I'm very broad across those kind of couple of categories that we covered. But I'm finding massive alignment, despite the fact that this is an exercise around sales, but not everybody in our team was in sales, but everybody coming at from the kind of same direction. I don't know if anybody else on the team, Heather, that wants to chip in on that.
I agree. I think what we're measuring, maybe how we're doing it, is a little bit different, but kind of the what we need to do, and I think the celebrating success was a big theme for us, because we're all working really fast, and I think people want to be recognized for what they do and get visibility for what they've accomplished.
And I'm curious, like, how do you, I know we have like discretionary bonuses, we have, the thanks channels, but I'm curious just on the recognition piece, like what did you focus on for team recognition and, that last stage there?
I focus on saying thank you to team members, as in the very personal feedback in a one-on-one, as in we're starting one-on-one, for example, with, hey, thanks for what you've been doing last week, as in the very personal note. That counts a lot, I think. It's of course meaningful to me when I hear that, more so than eventually something that happens on a channel.
Thanks, Grant. One thing I want to mention on here is we do something similar. We have a joint meeting between all the solution architects, the enterprise solution architects, and we have this document, and the top of it is beginning of every meeting is start with gratitude, and it's the team members either thanking someone else on the team or someone in the organization. So it's really meaningful that way. That seems to be, that gets a lot of traction, which we really appreciate. But I want to point out that Brittany on our team, who's been here now 4 days, so everybody welcome Brittany, mentioned something very important at this time. She said, we need to personalize the individual, because what motivates somebody may not be the same thing for everybody else, right? Maybe coin operated here, but some people may just want the attaboy or attagirl or so something like that. So it may not be the same for everybody. So maybe putting some of that more into orientation, knowing your team member, what motivates them, what gets them going. So it may not be the same for all. So that was important to know.
I would add, recognition is not something to be automated. And I think, at least for me in ops, I tend to want to optimize and automate things. And I think this is a case where automate what you can, but be human where it counts.
I was going to say also, one of the things we do in public sector is we'll spotlight certain deals or certain sticky situations and have the team report. Not everybody wants to do that, but most of the people will. It's a way to call them out, but call them out in a, hey, here's something that worked for me, I want to share this with you. So it's a little bit of kind of a double pat on the back, if you will, as far as I'm concerned.
We recently did team appreciation dinners and sent folks a gift card for DoorDash, and that was really well received. Just a little thank you.